Fun fact about these cars.
Alright, y'all, we just made it to Silver Spurs Arena here in Kissimmee. But lost my camera. I've looked everywhere. I have not found it. But Seba is in there. He may let us use his camera. So let's see what we got going on in there. If not, I'll just keep on recording on my phone. I don't care. I do want to make a disclaimer. The music in there was very loud. I tried my best to salvage the audio, but whatever didn't come out right, then I'll just put subtitles over. Yeah, so boom, as soon as you walk in, you got the lineup right here. We've seen this car multiple times on multiple different occasions. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is a wagon, the imported wagon of some sort. Maybe a board? I'm not trying to get in his picture. All right. Dang, a right-hand drive Odyssey? I don't know if that's Odyssey. Dang, Goofy. Looks like a freaking fully built hatch. No cap. Look at that. All that custom work. Damn. Pump turbo. Dang. Blue wheels, the black. Oh no, that's brown. Brown and blue. That color combination is sick. Another fully built K. On some slickies. Got this wrapped AMG. 105 in the US. The Toyota Crown. I'm assuming this is a first gen 3-speed manual. It's crazy seeing that. Got a Lambo right here. Looks like a Huracan, but I don't think it is. Yeah. This is the original wrap I wanted to do on my 350. This same exact color, but I just never gave into it, to be honest. Green build right here. I would love one of those one day. Oh my god, I didn't even realize this was an EM1, dude. Blue cheese, holy smokes. Yo, that's my mom's whip. She has the bigger version though. Static Type R. I haven't even seen these up close yet. Dude, this color combo is sick. He still got the factory wrap on the seats. Look at that. All right, we got a little 1 Series here, hardtop. Let's see if it's manual. And no, it is not, but hardtop 1 Series is super hard to find, especially in manual. Fun fact about these cars, their weight ratio is literally almost the same on the front and the rear. It's like 50 in the rear and then 49 in the back, if I'm not mistaken. And these were the last naturally aspirated V6 BMWs to be made. And the motors are really good. And as you can see, his wheel specs are really good too. See, this is what I need as a daily, no cap, so I can just tow the 350 around, you know what I'm saying? All right, now we're talking. Look at this. S2K. Oh, plated K, bro. Sweet. I don't know if this bar is like for protection if he crashes. I don't know. It looks like, I don't recall another bar being there, but it look good. This is a Ferrari 458, if I'm not mistaken. Those are the F40 wheels on the 458. And literally like natural Ferrari, like tan interior. Red paint. Those wheels though. These are also V8, and they sound insane. One of the best sounding V8s in the world. Top 3 for sure. Dang, look at this. Another dream car right here, and look at this, static. Look at the steering wheel. Yeah. Oh, fee. Super clean. It's like stock. It's literally like a static stock car with a little lip kit. That's it, all around. Hey, damn, I need money so I can get this right here. Girth Nation. 326 power. 326 lug nuts, wheels. Oh, this color, bro, I love it. The intakes, look at the intakes. Matched with the sway bar. Another OEM blue. Look at that. That's so nice. Yeah. Wide body R35. CRV static. CRV with the JDM mirrors. Got the freaking McLaren. Damn, I don't know McLaren's. This is Ventador. Look at that. Holy smokes. Yo, this is gas. The windshield looks so ginormous. Mine doesn't look like that. But, oh my God, I want to slam my Civic so bad. But I know it's a day, so I can't be doing that. All right, we got the truck right here, the U-Haul truck. For only 20 bucks, you can rent it today. Hell yeah, I'm renting that shit. Nah, but all jokes aside, I think it's a drift build.
Imagine you guys actually rent that thing.
Nah, that'd be crazy. For 20 bucks, definitely. Oh, I love this wrap too. Damn.
Oh my God.
Nismo 3-piece. Oh hell yeah! Look at that. That that looks good.
Second drifters.
Oh my God. God dang! I gotta check my pants. Damn. That's sick. Bro, this color combo is sick. I love how unique everything is. Like, even this guy made a custom diffuser to like, so it's exhaust can sit on there. Like, the attention to detail on these cars, like everywhere you look, literally.
You can't just battle me.
These tents are so gas. Well, 350 and Evo. Oof. That wrap on that 350 looks good. The Type R lineup too. Yeah. Oh my. Dang. I didn't even turn around yet. Holy, full carbon front end. I forgot to make an outro, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm currently editing this video that you are watching, but let me know how you like the quality on that camera. Since I lost my last one, obviously I gotta buy a new one, so let me know how the quality came out. I got a video for the 350 dropping soon, so stay tuned for that. But let me know. I have another idea, 350 overview. If y'all want to see that, just basically a mod list of what I have done to the car. But I don't know, maybe we could do something with the Civic. I don't know. Just let me know your thoughts. I'm open to anything. But other than that, thank y'all for watching. I'll be back soon. I want to grind. I've been on the grind. So stay tuned.